Welcome back. In our top business story, Dubai's retail sector is the backbone of its economy. It is currently enjoying a strong boost from the pickup in consumer spending and more tourists traveling to the shopping hub. According to a report by research house CB Richard Ellis, Dubai is the second most popular retail city in the world after London, attracting 56% of all international brands and providing 1.2 million square meters of retail space. While Dubai's retail sector holds many opportunities for both local and international companies, challenges remain, however, some of the leading executives of the industry said during a roundtable discussion organized by the Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The global slowdown doesn't stay unnoticed.
We are part of this world, and if the world sneezes, we get affected. So we were affected in the past, we have recovered, and we have recovered very gradually, and this time our businesses will see a growth of 5 to 6%, which is quite healthy.
Not even the e-commerce business in Dubai, which recently gained momentum with Apple launching an online store, can slow down Dubai's retail outlets business. There is even more room for new brands and malls.
I don't think Dubai has reached the saturation. It's the beginning of the journey for Dubai. We haven't really reached the tip of the iceberg, but from time to time, Dubai shifts to different business angles, and it all, as we said in our meeting here, the free market cannot be controlled. Tomorrow, somebody has a land and has the money and wants to build a mall, he will do that. So nothing will stop him.
One of Dubai's most successful retail companies is Dubai Duty Free. Last year, sales rose to 4.6 billion dirhams, and in the first 8 months of this year, revenues are already up 16%.
There are dozens of opportunities, and like I said, as traffic grows, we grow. Challenges, they vary as time goes on. Sometimes it's security, sometimes it's events around the world. Our biggest local challenge is handling logistics. We last year sold 71 million pieces of merchandise. We do 60,000 transactions every day.
The success of Dubai Duty Free can also be seen as a reflection of the increased passenger traffic through Dubai International Airport. Adding to this, local reports revealed that Emirates Airline plans to spend an estimated $4 billion annually over the next 4 years, with the likelihood of placing new orders for planes at the Dubai Air Show in November, cementing Dubai as an international travel destination with a strong focus from Asia.
The return of luxury product sales in Dubai Duty Free, a lot of it is now Chinese. Our single biggest one-item sale is a Chinese cigarette, which is a status symbol in China, and Chinese people going through the airport are buying this product. And I have read a study that Credit Suisse have done, and that says that in 2012, 25% of all luxury sales in the world will be bought by Chinese people. It's good for us.
Speaking of Dubai retail sector, it helped Dubai's economy grow 2.8% to nearly 294 billion dirhams last year. That is more than the Dubai Statistics Office previously estimated, data showed this week. We earlier asked Philippe Doba-Pantanach, senior economist at Standard Chartered Bank, why Dubai's economic growth was revised upwards, how much the oil price influenced this momentum, and which sector is the strongest growth driver at the moment.
Well, first of all, there is a technical rebound in this figure because what happened is that the 2009 figure has been revised up as well, where the contraction of the economy of Dubai has been stronger than expected. So for the 2010 figure, with the base effect, the figure has to come much higher, again, because of the base effect. Now, what has happened also is that during 2010, Dubai have really benefited from a global recovery in trade, but also in transportation. And this trend has been strengthened in 2011 with Dubai regaining fully its safe haven status. So we have seen a lot of diversion of investment, but also tourism coming to Dubai from the rest of the region. So indeed, we have seen a lot of sectors such as hotel occupancy that has been the highest in the region, but also in terms of transportation, we've seen a Dubai airport which will probably beat its record level, historical level, this year. So all these figures means that Dubai will probably grow even higher in 2011.
With that, let's now look at the stock indices across the GCC. In our world business news, German Chancellor Angela Merkel threw her support behind Greece as she met with Greek Prime Minister George Papandreou for talks in Berlin on Tuesday. But the real decision lies with German lawmakers who are set to vote on the matter on Thursday. Merkel said that Germany will provide Greece with all the help it desires so that it can regain trust among investors. The German Chancellor also warned that letting Greece default would destroy their confidence in the Eurozone. The German Parliament is due to vote on Thursday on a controversial package of measures to boost the Eurozone Rescue Fund, the EFSF. Also, Merkel urged the European Union to strengthen its power to discipline member states that break fiscal rules. Meanwhile, the Slovenian Parliament, already on Tuesday, approved the bill to widen the scope and value of the EFSF. With that, Slovenia is the 8th Eurozone nation to approve the revamped bailout fund. While the Eurozone debt crisis won't go away, investors are fleeing into the US dollar as it's considered the safe haven. Because when an investor wants to reduce risk, he repatriates his foreign investments into US dollars. This environment of risk aversion, however, takes its toll on emerging market currencies. They are being sold off to buy into US dollars, resulting in a sharp depreciation of emerging market currencies. Even Indonesia, an economy with strong fundamentals, is seeing this kind of sell-off. Its central bank even had to step in and prop the market. Pakistan's trade minister said he sees the need to strengthen the regional trading blocs in South Asia. While attending an India-Pakistan business conference, Makhdoom Muhammad Amin Fahim stated that it was important to develop the trading blocs as it would strengthen the ties among the nations. Fahim added that normalizing the trade relations between India and Pakistan would help improve also the political relations between the two. Fahim further stated that Pakistan was open in all respects to improve its ties with its neighbor in the South Asia region.
It is about time we in the South Asian region should be contemplating the strengthening of our regional trade bloc in South Asia.
Before we go, here's a quick overview of the oil, precious metals and currency markets, and after that we have the day's sports news for you.